how to fix Messenger not sending pictures problem. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So if you are unable to send the picture to someone, then that might be due to various reasons. So in order to fix that, you can follow these few simple steps which will help you to solve your problem. So the first thing is to make sure that you are connected with your strong Wi-Fi. If you are selling cellular data, then make sure that your cellular data is working properly. After that, you have to go back to your home page and you have to open the settings of your phone. You can also tap and hold the app, and from over here you can simply go for app info, and from here you have to simply go for permissions, and here you have to make sure that all the permissions are turned on, especially for the files and media. For allowing the permission, you have to simply tap on the option, and from over there you have to tap on allow, and by doing that the permission will be allowed and you will be able to fix the problem. You can also go to the storage and cache option, and from here you can clear the cache, and by doing that the messenger will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix your problem, then the simple thing you can do is you can go back and you can restart your phone by long pressing in your power button and selecting the restart option, and by doing that your problem will be fixed. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.